Today we're going to show you how to connect wireless Android Auto to your Nissan Kicks. Now using this infotainment screen, you'll click connections up here and then you'll start by doing add device. So now we're going to go to our phone and you'll find the settings menu and then you'll see connections here right at the top, and then you're going to look for Bluetooth. So go ahead and select Bluetooth and then we'll go down to the bottom where you're going to find My Kicks. So it will always be at the bottom of the screen. Now we'll wait to pair and then we'll see the same number on the screen as we do on the device here. So once you see that, you can go ahead and click pair and then it's going to go ahead and connect to the Android Auto. So now you're going to want to allow or deny access to your contacts, and then you can go back to the screen and we'll click start, and that's going to get the wireless Android Auto going. So if you want to allow access to your messaging, you can go ahead and select allow, and now we'll give it a second to connect to the vehicle. And then once that does connect, you'll be able to use messaging and maps and more from the screen, and you won't have to use your phone when you're on the go. So now you'll see we're connected, all of your apps will be in here, and it's really easy to use when you're on the move.